Hello friends, this is Natasha from Cryptemic Academy, and today we have an interesting episode where we will tell you about the latest events in the world of cryptocurrencies, technology, and finance. Stay tuned to not miss the most important news. Trump's trade confrontation and its consequences for the cryptocurrency market. The trade confrontation between the US and other countries, initiated by Donald Trump, has had an impact on cryptocurrencies, reducing the price of Bitcoin from a record of $110,000 to $85,000. Experts warn that the possible dismissal of Fed Chairman Jerome Powell could increase instability in financial markets. Cryptocurrency scams continue to rise in the US, especially among seniors. Criminals use complex schemes and forge official documents to trick victims into transferring digital assets. Law enforcement agencies are calling for action to combat the phenomenon. Bitcoin price predictions, consolidation, and growth prospects. Bitcoin continues its consolidation phase, failing to break the $85,000 mark. The predictions for May 1, 2025, from ChatGPT and Grok AI vary. The former expects a range of $91,000 to $96,000, while the latter is more conservative at $88,000 to $92,000. The technical situation is expected to depend on global markets and institutional interest. Cross-border payments in agriculture. How blockchain solves financial problems. Agriculture faces major challenges when it comes to cross-border payments, especially in developing countries. High bank fees, 3% to 6%, create significant financial costs for small farmers. In such conditions, blockchain technology and stablecoins can significantly reduce these costs, allowing transactions to be carried out faster and with minimal fees. The African agricultural market is predicted to be worth $1 million in 2030, and stablecoins can be an important tool for this market. MicroStrategy continues to increase its Bitcoin assets amid market growth. MicroStrategy purchased 6,556 Bitcoins for $556 million between April 14th and April 20th, increasing its Bitcoin portfolio to 538,200 coins. The company continues to actively accumulate assets, and the total amount of its purchases this year amounted to 91,800 Bitcoins. In the conditions of market fluctuations, large investors continue to open purchases. Now, investors' attention is focused on the speeches of the Federal Reserve and the consequences of the trade war between the United States and China. OpenAI may buy Chrome if court orders Google to sell it. OpenAI has expressed its willingness to buy the Chrome browser if a court orders Google to sell it in an antitrust case. Deep integration of ChatGPT into Chrome could offer users a unique AI experience. OpenAI also faces difficulties in negotiations with Android device makers like Samsung. xAI launches Grok Vision. A camera with object analysis. xAI has announced the launch of Grok Vision, a feature that allows users to point their phone camera at objects and get information about them. The tool is currently available for iOS, but not for Android yet. Grok also features a multilingual voice mode and real-time search for Super Grok subscribers. Paul Atkins becomes new SEC head. What will change for cryptocurrencies? Paul Atkins took over as SEC head, replacing Gary Gensler, which raised positive expectations in the crypto community. Atkins promised open work with the industry, but his support for cryptocurrencies and large investment portfolio raised concerns about a possible conflict of interest. Senator Elizabeth Warren expressed concern about possible bias. Crypto enthusiasts hope for effective and fair regulation. Grinex launches P2P trading with A7A5, new stablecoin on the platform. The Grinex exchange has launched P2P trading with the new stablecoin A7A5, pegged to the ruble 1.1. Users will be able to trade without intermediaries and hidden fees, as well as receive part of the payments on deposits that provide the token. In the future, Grinex will expand the list of available assets for trading. The platform will also ensure the security of transactions using escrow accounts and multi-level protection. This is where our episode ends. How do you think the creation of a US cryptocurrency reserve will affect the cryptocurrency market? Do you expect interest in stablecoins and agriculture to grow? And what do you think about the possible purchase of Chrome by OpenAI? Write your opinions in the comments. And if you want to deepen your knowledge of the crypto market, visit the Cryptemic Academy. We have courses on trading, security, and analytics. Like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode.